In this video, we'll show you how to level up and unlock new stories on Reading Plus. It's important that you try your best during every lesson and aim for that 80% score. If you score 80% on 2 lessons in a row, you earn a combo. You need to collect combos to unlock new levels. When you unlock new levels, you have brand new stories to read. If you do your very best and score 80% on 3 lessons in a row, you earn a power. A power lets you boost a future score by 10%. This could let you boost a 70% score to 80%, and then you get more combos. So remember, aim for 80%, collect lots of combos, boost your scores with powers, and unlock new levels and exciting new stories.